Hello and welcome back. This is Bucks Coins and welcome to my channel. We have a review of a 50p here. One that's capsulated, or came to me capsulated. Not easy to get out of the capsule. It is from Queen Elizabeth, Isle of Man, 2022. This is one of the Isle of Man Jubilee coins. 50p format, and it is the one with the two coloured background, or reverse. You have the silver sided reverse with God Save the Queen, which is part of the national anthem. And on the right hand side, as you look, you have the two of the three lions in a gold plate. The God Save the Queen is in silver plate. This is one of a set of coins that's going to be released over the year. I believe there's 7 or 8 coins in the set. You could either buy this one individually or you could buy it as part of the set. I've chosen to buy it individually. There are plenty of other coins coming out over this 70th Platinum Jubilee year. We've already had the UK 2, the £5 and the 50p. This is just going on from there, and there will be others to follow, I'm sure. In fact, there are 3 more series available from Jersey, Guernsey and I think the Isle of Man. And you've got this set from the Isle of Man, and I think you've got one from Jersey, one from Guernsey, and maybe one even from Gibraltar, I'm not sure. I've seen 3 other sets available anyway. All of the ones from the Isle of Man have got this dual silver and gold platinum on the plating on them. What do you think of this coin? I think it looks a bit gimmicky for me personally. I'm sure if it went into circulation it'd do very well. The problem I would have with it going in circulation is how long would this be, this plate, before it wears and becomes thin and you just go through to the silver underneath. That would be my one. That's something I'd wonder about. Having said that, what do you think of the coin? Have you got it in your collection? Are you about to put it into your collection? Let me know in the comments below. That's all I want to do on this review for this coin. So I will say to you, if you believe that let me just come out a little bit. If you believe I've done a good job, please give me the thumbs up. This will help me immensely in my view for this year of growing my channel. It'll help with the algorithm, as will if you subscribe to the channel. If you believe I deserve your subscription, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes over the next few years. And if you haven't yet decided, please view a couple of other videos that I've done and hopefully you'll come on board. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and that you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you find them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and ta-ra now. Bye bye.